Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check your Android model and OS so you know which menus match. This matters because manufacturers rename options. Next, remove any case or plug-in headphones to rule out physical muffling. Then open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration or Sounds, and find the call volume slider. This directly controls in-call loudness. Once there, increase the slider halfway to test. It's immediate, so listen and note changes. If you can hear a difference, proceed to refine settings. During an actual call, press the volume up button. Android adjusts the call channel rather than media volume. This is why live testing matters. Then open Accessibility and enable Hearing Enhancements or Sound Amplifier. These features boost clarity and can raise perceived loudness. Make sure Bluetooth is off while testing, because routing audio to a paired device can mask speaker problems. Also check the phone app's audio settings for options like noise reduction. Disabling aggressive noise reduction can sometimes increase voice volume. Finish by testing the speaker with a ringtone and a voice recording. This distinguishes software from hardware faults. Once done, restart the phone and check for system or phone app updates, since fixes often arrive that improve audio. If volume is still low, carefully clean the speaker grill, debris and lint reduce output, or try a small external Bluetooth speaker or inline amplifier. If nothing helps, contact manufacturer support for repair. Meanwhile, use captions or a hearing aid-compatible accessory as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.